You know what sucks? Being poor. You know what else sucks? Having money, but not really having money or time freedom because you're still trading dollars for hours. You know what doesn't suck? Generating passive income, which allows you to stop being poor and start earning money while you're sleeping or hanging out with your friends and family or doing other things that you want to be doing. And in this video, we are going to be talking about how to generate passive income on the internet. So let's cue the intro and then get into the content. Hi, thanks for watching. This is Daniel P. Robertson, and if you want to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so we are talking about how to generate passive income on the internet. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do that. I'm going to walk you through the process for it. Before I get into that though, I want to take some time to clear up some myths and misconceptions about passive income, what it isn't, how it works, because there really is a lot of, confusion and misinformation out there about passive income. So the first myth is that passive income is kind of this free money that you don't work for, that you just collect without doing any work. And that is not what passive income is. You still have to work to get passive income. All right, it's just that passive income allows you to get paid in a different way for doing work, in a way that allows you to build freedom and to build success. And I'm going to go into how that works a little bit later. The next kind of misconception about passive income is that it's kind of only for like the really wealthy people. Like if you can invest a bunch of money in the stock markets, then you can basically live on the interest or something like that. But that's not the only type of passive income out there. Really, there's much better ways to earn passive income than investing large amounts of money. The other thing that people kind of think, the third misconception about passive income, is that people think that, it takes like an expert or someone who's really knowledgeable or someone who has special skills or talents to generate passive income. And that couldn't be anything further from the truth. There are lots of ordinary people like you and me who are generating passive income on the internet every single day. And I'm going to share with you how this works here in this video. So let's kind of talk about what's the difference between passive income and active income. Active income is, what most people generally earn and rely on. So active income would be something like going to a job, working 8 hours, and you get paid for those 8 hours that you work, maybe with some bonus or commissions thrown in on top of that. And so really the only way to increase your earnings with this type of income is, of course, to get a promotion or a better paying job, to get better bonuses or commissions, or to work overtime so you get a little bit of overtime money. So that's really, you're directly trading dollars for hours in this scenario. You work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. The next type of active income, though, is a little bit different, but it's still active because you still have to be working to earn it, which is someone who works on a commission basis. So this would be like the car salesman. They work at the car lot. They'll find people to sell cars to, whether they come into the lot and they're looking for a car, or maybe the salesman will call out or reach out on social media, different things like that. Whatever it is, the salesman has to find people to buy a car. And when somebody buys a car and passes, the financing and everything like that, when they actually purchase the car, they earn a commission based on how much they sell the car for. So in order to kind of increase your income with this type of active income, you have to sell more cars. So it's really tied to the number of cars you sell. And in order to sell cars, you actually have to be working your network, your referrals, the people who come onto the lot. You have to be working the phones to sell the cars. You have to actually be interfacing with people to sell cars. And so the only way to make money is when you're actively working. It's not passive, it's active because you're actually there working the lot. Now, the third type of active income that I want to cover, and there's probably more examples than this, but this is just kind of the third kind of big category to help you understand what active income really is, would be like a business owner, say maybe a car repair mechanic, and you own your own shop, you own your own mechanic shop, and so people come into the shop, you service their cars, and you get paid. And again, in this type of business, you're tied to how many cars you can service in a day or in a month or whatever the time frame you're measuring is. So it's still active because you have to actively be working in your business in order to generate income. So an example of how we can flip this last one and turn that into passive income would be the person who owns a car mechanic shop, but isn't the actual mechanic, isn't the person who's actually servicing the cars. They hire mechanics, they hire technicians, they hire managers and other staff to run the store for them. All they really have to do is oversee, set some policies, hire the managers, and just kind of oversee things, make sure they keep running smoothly. There's also a lot of risk involved with this type of passive income, a business like that, because there's all this overhead and expenses that you have to take into consideration. It's very expensive to start a business like this. So even though it's kind of passive and the fact that you're not doing all the work, it's also very high risk. So in this video, we're going to be talking about really generating passive income online with something that's not high risk like that. Another type of passive income would be a life insurance salesman. A life insurance salesman, they do earn commissions just like the car salesman when they sell a life insurance policy, but unlike the car salesman, they actually have the potential to earn passive commissions because each year when a client renews their life insurance policy, the life insurance agent gets another commission. So you can see how if you build up a book of business, how you build up, clients who renew their policies every year, you can kind of start to slow down after a while. Maybe at first you're selling, maybe 10 policies a month. I don't really know what the number would be. And so you're getting 10 new customers every month at first. But then after you've been doing this for a while, you might just have 20 people renewing their policies every single month, 30 people renewing their policies every single month, something like that. As you're going along. I don't know what the real numbers are. This is just an example. So it's passive in the sense that once you get that initial sale, you can earn recurring commissions every single year. Now I want to go in and show you how to actually build passive income on the internet. And passive income is really all about putting systems. Oh, come on. Why is this? It's about putting systems and assets into place that let you generate income more than once for the same activity. You do something once and then you keep earning income from it over and over again. Now, the process that I'm following is called content marketing. And content marketing is really about creating content that's of interest to one specific audience. And then making that content evergreen. So it's something that people will be looking for years to come. And then I'm going to be making it searchable, where people can search in search engines like Google and other search engines for this content, and then find the content even years from now and discover me through this content. And so the process that I'm using is YouTube video marketing, as you can probably tell if you're watching this video. Other people, you can do it with blogging and things like that as well. So let me kind of give you an overview of how the process works. Is that let me do this here. You create content, so you can do a blog post. Say you're doing blogging. You do a blog post, right? And then you do another blog post. You just write these blog posts, and each blog post is going to target a keyword that people are searching for. So people might be searching. Maybe you decide to go into a market which maybe something that you're passionate about maybe is, marriage. Maybe you're really passionate about marriage. You want to teach people how to have better marriages. So you write these blog posts about improving marriage. And you research keywords that people are looking for. You research these keywords that people are looking for around marriage, and you write blog posts around those keywords, right? So each blog post is targeted to a different keyword. And then as you have more blog posts, that's more assets. Each blog post is an asset. That's what I'm trying to get at here. You're building assets online. Each blog post is an asset where people can search for the keyword that you're targeting and then find your blog post and then become familiar with your brand and then buy something from you that you're promoting as an affiliate where you earn a commission on the sales of that product. An example of there's lots of different products out there that are affiliate products. You can do online training, online tools. You can do physical products, like you can sell stuff that are on Amazon.com as an affiliate and recommend those and earn a commission. Now the process I'm doing, like I said, is YouTube. So YouTube, it's kind of the same process. I research keywords and then I make videos around those keywords. That's what I'm going to be doing here on this channel in order to grow this channel. Now, if you're just watching this video now, my channel is not very big yet. I'm just getting started and I'm still growing. Okay. But I'm doing actually right now a 90-day video marketing challenge. And every single day I'm doing another video around topics that people are searching for. And again, each video is an asset. Somebody can search for this video and find this video. Someone can search for this video and then they can find this video. Someone might search for another topic that I do in this video or this video and this video, and then somebody might find this video right here, but then they're going to go and watch this video and then they go and watch this video, right? So I'm really building my brand by finding people who are interested in what I'm talking about. They're getting introduced to me from maybe one video, but then from there, they go from being cold market to being my warm market, and then they go and watch more videos. They subscribe to my channel. Maybe you should subscribe if you like this, right? And then they watch more videos, and then I put out a new video after that, and then they watch another video. And then from there, from my videos, I can actually put a link down in my videos that leads to my website, right? And then they can go to my website. And then on my website, here's what I'm going to be doing. Let me just kind of delete all of this here. On my website, here's what I'm going to be doing. I will have what's called a landing page. This landing page is a page that will have a headline, and then it'll have maybe a video here, and then it'll have a button here asking somebody to subscribe. And when they click on this button, a little pop-up is going to come up and it's going to ask for their email address in order to get something of value, like a free guide or free checklist, a free cheat sheet, something like that. Something for free that's of interest, right? And then from there, they go on to my email list. There's a nice little arrow there. And then I can send them out emails. And these emails can then promote different products, and then I can also send them back to my other videos on YouTube. So this email right here might go back to YouTube, right? To build up my channel a little bit more. Or this one, or an email can go here, and it can go out to a sales page where they can buy something from me, right? So each email can help to build the relationship with that prospect. So that's, like I said, assets and then systems. So here is an asset, is people who sign up for this email list. Each person is kind of an asset. It's a person that I can reach out to. It's a person I can contact. It's their email address where I can send them content, right? And then each email is another asset because it lets me follow up with that person and build the relationship. And then the system would be also, well, the emails, those are the system. The system is that I'm going to set it up so that they get emails automatically without me doing anything else. I write the email once, And then automatically it'll send everybody who signs up for my email list that email. It's called an autoresponder. Maybe you know about it, but it's the basic thing. It's the basic process. So I lead them over from my YouTube channel over to this landing page where they can sign up to get onto my list. And then once they sign up to my list is automatically going to send them emails, and those emails are going to be recommending more videos from me and also recommending products that I can promote as an affiliate. So let me know if this makes sense of how you can do this. You can find a topic that you're interested in, whether it's making money online or knitting or marriage or whatever topic you want to teach and share your knowledge in, share your experience in. Create videos or blog posts or content of another type, like a podcast maybe, around those topics that people are searching for. Get in front of those people by consistently creating that content over and over again, leading them over to a landing page like this, and then from the landing page, getting them onto an email list where you can follow up with them and then sell stuff to them. That's the basic process to generate passive income online. So again, please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about this. I'm going to keep teaching about this stuff, teach you how to get results, teach you how to build this out as I continue to build this challenge and continue to do my 90-day challenge that I'm doing. So subscribe, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.